Imagine creating a unique virtual persona that captures your personality and style, connecting with fans all over the world, and having a blast while doing it. Sounds amazing, right? But where do you start? What tools do you need? And how do you stand out in the sea of VTubers? Disclaimer: this video is only an overview of the steps you need to think about starting off as a VTuber. Alright, let's get started. What if I told you it's easier than you think? Let's dive into step 1. First things first is to decide what kind of VTuber you want to be. As far as I know, there are 3 types of VTubers: a PNG tuber, 2D VTubers, and 3D VTubers. As a beginner, I suggest picking the more achievable and easy on your wallet route, which is to start off as a PNG tuber like me. We don't want any regrets of spending so much on a VTuber model just to find out streaming is not for you now, do we? Nonetheless, I hope you think of it very carefully, and here are the pros and cons of each type. For PNG tubers, PNG tubing is generally the most affordable option since it only requires static images. It's easy to set up and use, making it accessible for beginners. And it also doesn't require powerful hardware, so it can be run on almost any computer. You can get up and running really quickly with minimal setup. However, for the cons, static images don't convey as much emotion or movement, which can make streams less engaging. And it also lacks dynamic movement and interaction that 2D and 3D models offer. Next, interactivity with the audience is limited to what can be conveyed through static images and voice. As for 2D VTubers, 2D models can convey a wide range of emotions and movements, making streams more engaging. And it is also more affordable than 3D models, but still offers a significant upgrade from PNG tubing. Allows for a high degree of customization in terms of design and animation, and it generally is less demanding on hardware compared to 3D models. However, the cons are it requires more setup and technical know-how compared to PNG tubing, and can still be relatively expensive depending on the quality and complexity of the model. It also requires specific software like Live 2D to create and animate the model. As for 3D VTubers, the pros are 3D models offer the most dynamic and engaging viewer experience with full body tracking and a wide range of movements. It allows for immersive interactions such as virtual reality environments and can achieve a high level of realism in terms of movement and expression. It also offers the most advanced customization options for character design and animation. However, the cons are typically the most expensive option due to the cost of creating a 3D model and the necessary equipment. It also requires significant technical knowledge to set up and maintain, and it also demands powerful hardware and possibly additional equipment like motion capture suits or VR setups. Setting up and learning to use the software and hardware can also be time consuming. So, each type of VTuber offers different benefits and challenges, so the best choice depends on your goals, budget, and technical expertise. Let's move on to the next step. Next, you need a captivating avatar. This is your virtual self, so make it count. You can use software like VRoid Studio or Live 2D to design a custom avatar. Think about your character's personality, style, and backstory. Are they a quirky alien, a magical being, or a cool gamer? The sky's the limit. Things to consider are silhouette, color palette, clarity of VTuber concepts, and the fact that your avatar is mostly going to be seen from the bust up. Next, motion capture and audio setup. Next up is to bring your avatar to life with motion capture. You don't need a Hollywood budget for this. A good webcam and software like VTube Studio, FaceRig, or VC Face can track your facial expressions and movements. For full body tracking, consider investing in a motion capture suit, but a webcam is a great start. Your voice is just as important as your visuals as well. A good microphone will make a huge difference. You can even use voice changers like voice mod to match your avatar's appearance. Practice your voice and don't be afraid to get creative. Now, you need to stream your content. OBS Studio is a fantastic free option to get you started. Set up your scenes, add your avatar, and you're ready to broadcast to platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or wherever your fans are waiting. Finally, engage with your audience. Reply to comments, join community events, and be active on social media. Consistency is key. The more you connect with your fans, the more your community will grow. Keep in mind, posting your link on random servers won't do you good, especially if they don't allow it. Instead, I suggest to actually be a part of a community and grow from there as you meet and interact with new people. And there you have it. Follow these 5 steps and you'll be well on your way to becoming a VTuber superstar. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got questions or need more advice? Drop a comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you. If you think this general overview isn't enough, I'll be making a new VTuber persona and walk you through step by step in the upcoming tutorials that will be linked below, so watch out for that. Thanks for watching and happy streaming!